Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now today I present to you my 2000 Mazda Miata, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be taking this out on some back roads on one of my favorite driving roads of all time. So I'm a little bit out of the city right now, and it's an absolutely beautiful day here in the Pacific Northwest. I mean, look at that backdrop with the mountains. That is so cool. And really all I wanted to do is just capture some POV footage like I've done in the past. Some people were requesting that I should make some more Miata content, so I thought this would be a great opportunity. So we're gonna need to travel out maybe about 3 or 4 more miles this way. So for those that don't know, this is my Miata that is basically 100% stock except for an intake, some summer performance tires, and the 7-spoke wheels that come off of the NA Miata. And I mean, besides that, there are some interior mods, but for the most part, it's just gonna be a Miata being a Miata. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more. But I think with that being said, let's just let's get on that back road and let's have some fun. Let's go. So much grip, so much. I don't want to get ahead of myself too much here, but God, this is fun. I love this. This is so scenic. Look at that. motorcycles. That was quick. At least by Miata standards. Back when I used to live up here, this was like the go-to drive. Like if you had a long day at work, you had some extra time on a Sunday, you could just hop in the car and you could just go through this. And it goes for quite a while, and then it takes you back into the city. So you could even go grab a bite to eat, come back through this way, get the scenic route, and really just enjoy your time here. I will say on the weekends, it can be kind of hit or miss, especially if there's a lot of cars on the road, as you can kind of see from the footage. Like if you get stuck behind one slow person, it could kind of ruin your fun. Unless you're in a cruising mood, then it won't really do anything for you. But if you want some more spirited driving, like what we were kind of doing back there, you know, it's going to be a whole different experience. So I think I'm going to end the video here. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.